Hello guys, so today my wife called me and she said she wants to get me a car. I was shocked though, like I was very surprised. She said no, that she wants to get me an early Christmas gift. Me, I said I want Benz because me, I need a joke with Benz. When we got there, so the price was on the high side. So she said, okay, we should go to where this Lexus. I still like Lexus, but my first choice normally I like Benz. So we went to another place where they used to sell Lexus. Lagos here at Mbega. So when we get there, this is Lexus 350. We were talking to them how far IDB shall you get. So then now they come, they tell us the price. Say the car is so amount. I was asking my wife if that's a budget. She said yes, that this and Lexus price is a budget. So this is the guy, the dealer explaining. So guys, watch this video and please and share this video.
Go to the churches now.
This is accidental free.
Yeah, sure.
And I check the inside.
Why? Open from there.
Come now.
Now you buy for now you select. Make the choice.
I should make the choice.
Make your choice. Now
you check them now.
Yeah.
This one is going for 7 point.
Yeah, 7.6. This is leather interior, yeah. You see, this is your gear, yeah. See how sharp the car is. So when you're ready
is that once you get this Lexus car for 7.6 million, yes, you are sure that the tracking system is free for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Citrac is going to track the car for free.
Okay, wait. If I buy this car now, you guys will track it for free.
Yes.
So how does Citrac work?
Well, when we install our tracker in your car, you'll be able to stop and start your engine from your phone, whether it's a smartphone or a small phone. You'll also be able to know where your car is and where it has gone over the past few days. You'll also be able to hear what they are saying in your car when you're not there. That's it.
So does it like do people have like application or website?
Yes, we are going to give you the app for free. We'll give you the app for free. Then we're also going to teach you how the SMS works with your phone, so you can also control your engine just from your phone.
Don't you like the idea of the tracking?
Very nice.
You need to open this engine.
Very nice.
You need to open it.
Let me just open the engine.
So if in case you run, I can track you.
Before is nice,
you go, you like, or you want to check?
I'll check. I'll still like to check. Like let me compare.
Just check from center.
A hook.
Yeah. Allow him. Open. He's the person in charge of the car.
Okay, he's the person in charge of the car.
Like taking care of the maintenance of the car every day, because every day we apply polish and everything to maintain the first body of the car.
Okay.
So the person in charge.
This is the first engine.
Me, I don't know anything for car.
This engine, me, I don't like this engine. Let's check another car. This engine, I don't like her.
What do you do the engine?
This engine, no need.
Should I start it so I will see the engine, not by the look?
Can you start it?
They'll start it. Just now.
You start it?
Just now, hold on. Just a moment.
You don't look say
your money reached that 7.9.
Shame na me test how.
Yeah, I made them cost that.
Leave money and select.
I select what I want.
Learn what you want.
This law strong, go. Thank God that's Apple. So when we say we won't marry, God, I beg you.
Well, the car is nice.
And it's black. I like black.
The car is nice.
Uncle, if you come on your hand, though.
You're not going to start and it's like closer.
I'm going to start them now.
You can go bring the key.
I feel sleep inside. I want sleep.
You won't sleep. Anywhere you see.
Let me start it.
Anywhere you do, you won't sleep.
Hey!
Just put down, start down. Look at the engine. You were saying you don't like the engine.
The engine is nice.
Look at the engine you're talking about.
Ugu.
As far as you are buying from Citrac, what we sell and service you render is sure and 100%. You understand?
So once I buy this car, you will.
I'll secure everything.
You secure everything. Anywhere the car day, I can check it with my phone.
Yes.
Wait first, I go like do advert for this C-Track. I like the car. I like do advert for the C-Track. So please tell them more about this C-Track. I would like to do advert, a free advert for you people. Come and tell them more about C-Track. I like this car.
Let you people should pay now. Who is paying for the car, please? You're paying for the car. Please. Let me give you my account now so you can.
No, boss. I like the car. We'll go with it. But before then, I'd like you to just talk. I should check others.
You told me that you like black.
He likes
Don't you
black.
like the car?
You can like the car. The car is nice.
You want this one?
Yes, but before then, I want them to tell my audience about C-Track.
Like we said, C-Track is a tracking company. We install our tracker in your cars. Yeah, when we install our tracker in your cars, you'll be able to hear what they are saying in your car. You'll also be able to stop your car when someone is driving, maybe like your son or your
Remotely
brother.
from your phone.
Just from your phone, you stop the car. Then you can also.
From a phone, you can stop your
Yes,
car.
whether it's a smartphone or maybe even if it's a button phone, a small phone. Yeah, we also have our SMS control and we also have the app option, right? So when we install our tracker, you'll be able to hear what they are saying in your car. You'll be able to see where your car has been over the past few days. You'll also be able to stop your engine. Maybe when they are driving in, the motor is going to stop. It's not going to stop in a way whereby they will have accident. It will just stop like the fuel got finished, So it's going to stop carefully. Then you're able to track them and go with law
Okay,
enforcement.
your address so people can locate you.
Our address, yes, we're at United Beggar Motor Market. Yes, where they sell car at Beggar Under Bridge, Mile 2, near Mile 2.
Near Matu.
Yes.
How can they reach you? The number? Call your number.
Our number is 070-322-92456.
Okay. Okay, please call it again so they can.
070-322-92456.
And boss, and I'll come on like 200,000 for this advert what I do. And I'll come on like 200,000 for
If
this.
we come out like 100k, so the motor will be 7.5.
Will be 7.5.
7.6. I feel that for you, based on
7.5.
the
Yeah.
company.
No.
Yes.
Hello.
So, like,
You
how
still
much
track
is
the car for
the-
free.
And the past don't get with
I'm okay with this one
Our man. Yeah?
because I wanted the Benz before now, but she said
No, this car it suits you.
Nah, according
Black
to our
man
budget.
with the black car,
Me, I feel like
Sharp.
350 though.
No, this car.
I don't like this 330.
This car is okay. This car is high.
let's start with this one.
This car is.
You just Christmas car.
And the
It's
AC.
not New Year
They
own.
felt the AC now, right? The AC of
Everything
this
is
car is
nice.
perfect for Oibo Pepe like you. Right?
No, no, wait,
So you
wait,
say
wait.
you are the one doing the transfer now, right? Okay, give me company account now, right? Abi? Should we use our account? Anyhow, it's fine.
Wow.
Why they look? Why not they look my phone? When I shift nah.
Send the money now.
It's a very big surprise.
Full of surprise.
Why not they look my phone?
You're full of surprise.
God, I beg you.
No, I seen the talk at this one. I think saying they play.
1,000 years white material. Now, big cinema man want to. I
Okay.
beg you.
My phone at 1%.
I get power bank. Wait.
Charge our
Okay,
phone.
the power bank. I get that.
Hey,
You can equally charge.
Wait, bless this
Yes, you can also
girl.
charge your car.
see
You can also
now.
charge the phone.
Wait, it's like she's joking with. Wait.
What?
Hey, my
You are joking?
I get power bank. But I bring them.
Bring am away.
I have been See, no.
What do you mean she's joking? Wow.
My phone not
You
off.
just
Her phone
power
is really
bank here
off.
now.
Her phone is
Okay,
off.
now true. I get power back.
Okay, you have yes, she has power bank. Please come back. She doesn't need anyone.
When I remember my phone
You forget say you get power bank before.
See, no time wait this lady. They serious because they do like dumb baby.
Are you
the
serious?
only thing that I say,
I
you
thought
get
she
you
just-
get
I
where
won't do this.
you get where we fit go eat.
Come.
When
Yes,
my
a lot
wife
of
will charge my
countries,
phone.
But you need
Yeah,
to
now
be
let's go
payment
and
for the
eat.
car now. I did on that. What's going on?
I dey come. She can't play with this.
Who they follow you play? She be there. No. My phone off. No, I don't keep the power bank now on you. Let's get where we can eat.
Are you buying the car or not?
Why not?
What can sign eating and buying car? Pay, we'll go and eat
Let
at
us
it.
eat. By the time we finish eating, my phone go down power. We'll pay for the
Goodness,
phone.
you can't
It's not
play with this.
7.5.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Let me
Goodness.
the canteen there.
Alright, let's go and eat, Jare.
It's fine.
So say me we go and
Okay, if you
eat.
buy your power bank,
No
don't
be
die.
you, Joe.
Power
See,
bank
just
is
leave me and relax. I'm giving you a treat, Jare. Your face. Smile. Jesus loves you.
there. So good, it's like this, yeah.
Yeah, well done.
Your fans are here.
Thank you, boss.
You have fans in our market. That's nice.
Look on this goodness.
What happened?
Your phone is on now.
My phone has stop now. Stop.
If I'm now,
Shey
what
dey
do
hear my
you
phone
say me
off,
come
stop.
buy motor?
See, I beg you before I come out for house. So.
Now you they do
My
everything
phone
be
is
like saying
dead.
a problem. Motor way we go drive.
I don't want heat.
Let's go and eat. Me, I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning. Let's go and eat. Since we don't come out, we don't waka. You don't finally sweat you like that I can afford. Let's go and eat. By the time I power my phone, we'll come back and make the transfer. Is it not here?
Where we go eat?
You can't even come market to eat.
I don't know
You
what
know,
your mind.
I am
dey tell
hungry.
You go Benz, you say na Benz.
And I told him that I cannot afford
I
God.
don't understand.
Let us
See, wait
get
till they
food.
go on.
Yes.
He say he won't buy a motor. He won't buy anything.
Why you dey explain? Who you dey
Anything
explain? Give what's the explanation
So don't
for?
go where Benz.
There is no need for explanation. Please
You
take
want
us
the
to
best,
where
man.
we would eat.
Yeah,
After
come and
eating,
say
I make a transfer for your
I think we should allow them go and eat.
See, I doubt this woman. Goodness,
Go,
come.
go eat.
So you know the person dey take care of you now. So you see, I carry and come where I won't buy motor as December gift, Christmas gift, motor and feeding. So you don't understand. So if you chop finish, you go select.
I get wife, we get money.
Some say see today better car beg.
In case you want to show you the sell Kakadi.
Anyone you want.
I'll give you no.
I go chop very soon. Just wait.
Okay, they bring your own.
Make person wey go get motor the future motor car owner, the tomorrow car owner enjoy
No,
first.
the today car owner.
Na today car owner.
Today car owner.
You make him enjoy.
No, me chop finish. No, car owner. To cut the long story short,
I no need that.
is
Hey,
a
goodness, come here. Come here. Stand here. Stop
See,
with your talk.
so I woke up this morning and I said to prank you people.
Now you carry me over how many
I don't
hours now?
understand.
They
This is
order
the best
for
place.
motor slot.
Wait, so
Yeah, capture all the motor wey
Wait,
dey
wait.
here.
Uncle Fi, wait.
How many motor wey you carry us go to?
Wait, Uncle Ife, wait. Goodness, you carry me come up for house this morning. You tell me say na prank. Say you won't buy me motor. You carry me come beggar. Come they tell me say na prank.
The park now.
First
So the
of all,
food na
wait.
only gain why you
Wait.
get from all
First
the
of
waka wey I
all,
don waka since
first
morning.
of all, you don't make me do free advert for this company.
Wait.
I said
Excuse
you
me,
shall
this is
tell
a
you that
prank.
time. I dey tell you that.
Madam, please.
Hold on, Uncle Ife, let's go.
Wait.
Please, we are
Uncle
nice
Ife.
people, we do not appreciate.
And I give on a free advert.
Uncle Ife,
No, please.
Uncle Ife, let's go to the camera.
Now,
Let's
what's
go.
going
play.
on?
Let's go.
He dey play. Goodness.
Carry camera, let's go. What kind of rubbish is that one now?
Goodness, are you not
This kind
there?
of thing.
What kind of
don't
duplex
do
is
this
this
in
one now?
You don't
Which
this kind
kind
of thing in
of are you
Nigeria.
playing now?
You don't this kind of thing in
Are you
Nigeria.
playing now?
In this hot sun, you carry
To the carry that camera, let me leave this place, Joe.
up and down.
Wait now.
Wait for what?
Stop.
What kind of stupid thing is that? Why you carry me come up for house?
Can't I prank you in peace?
Which kind of prank with that one?
See, just lay your hands on this car. You buy it in Jesus' name.
Look at.
No worry.
Which kind of thing?
The look on your face.
Uncle Ife, let's go. You carry me come up for... Sorry for what?
I don't be happy say I go post say goodness buy car for my brother. You come dey.
Look me. You give me money.
Madam, sincerely, we don't appreciate this. We are businessmen for Kerala. You shouldn't come and call us under this awesome, tie us up and down that you want to buy a car and end up saying it's a prank. We
My
don't do
brother,
that,
no vex,
please.
I beg. No
The world
vex.
say person go dey
But
tell
still don't
seriously. He dey
forget,
laugh.
at any
Yeah,
time,
which kind thing be this one now?
You dey do
Oh,
free
you dey
advert
vex,
for
you
my
dey do
video.
advert.
You dey do free advert. I dey vex.
Let's go.
Where you dey wait
No
now?
near me, oh.
No, nah, stop.
Goodness,
Stop now. No.
what kind of stupid thing is that one?
Wetin you dey do for our sis? At least lay your hands. If you say you dey vex.
Which kind dey your hand? My hand is why I wan there. You know the kind joy wey dey me say
I won't buy car.
which kind thing be this
I
one?
won't buy car. No, it's not as if I can. It's not as if I cannot get him car, but I don't have the money.
Come on here. Which thing you dey here?